Bam. The late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome back to the same channel, to new video, and CHILIZ. Right now we're gonna CHILIZ up like 5.46% right now. It's up for the second day in a row. It's in green. A lot of stuff is in red. Bitcoin is in red, but CHILIZ is in green. That's bullish. It cannot be bearish. That's bullish, right? Let's get in the chart, see what's actually happening with CHILIZ. And before we start, just hit the subscribe button, you know, reasons. That said, let's see what's actually happening with CHILIZ. So it got some nice support down here and then went here. Now it's resisting this place over here. So what's gonna happen? Let's see how this looks on the weekly chart. So where does this actually, this bottom down? Yeah, this is the previous bottom up here. So basically when it went up, went down, it created this bottom here. Support, went up, went down, it created the support. So now basically what it is doing is creating, retesting the support for the second time. So this held now, and if this candle closes green, this is actually very bullish for CHILIZ, because right now it's retesting this same support for the second time, and when you cannot break first time, they cannot break second time, then you know you go. But then we have this resistance up here, we also have resistance up there, we also have this resistance that we are trying to break right now. So there are a couple of resistances that we have to break on the way up, but you know, one step at a time, you know. And I think as soon as Bitcoin turns the tide and starts to get green and stuff like that, I think this is gonna go up. I think it's gonna go up. Let's look at a weekly chart, pop up some moving averages and see where actually our moving averages are. So just like previous time, we are very close to the 10 moving average down here right now, and this looks very good. So on the weekly chart, we are exactly where we should be, close to the 10 moving average. That's the most important thing. You can see here how it was following the 10 moving average, even here when it got extended, 1 week consolidation, pumped real hard, and then you have, of course, then you got real extended. Now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 6th week in the consolidation period, but I think consolidation is finished, and right now just trying to figure out when it's gonna pop. I think actually it was supposed actually to pop. The way I see it, it was supposed to pop up here, but then Bitcoin decided like, nope, we are pulling everything a little bit down, so people are a little bit scared and stuff like that. So yesterday we went down, we found the support at on the same level up here. Let me zoom in this more for you. So basically we found when we went down, we found the support right over there, and you can see that we held the support, but we broke this red line. That's the 20 moving average. We broke on here, and then next day we could not break it, but this support still held. So we were sitting between the 20 moving average and the support, and now today was actually decision time. What's gonna do? Are you gonna go break the support on the upside, or are you gonna go break on the downside? It looks like we are going up, and we are testing right now this 54 resistance. If we can manage to break this resistance as well, this is gonna be very bullish for CHILIZ. But this candle is not yet done, so of course we can also drop back down and even go for all the further down, all the way to revisit the 50 moving average. Anything can happen until the candle closes, but right now it looks very nice. It looks very nice and it's pushing. Also, you can see on the daily that we are actually getting support on this 50 moving average, so that's very nice. Let me see just how it looks on the 4. No, it's on daily, I think. It looks fine on daily. Let me remove this. So now we're gonna look at some moving averages and stuff like that, and see no, not moving average, but indicator, and see how we are standing there right now on this rubber band index. We are sitting around the 50 level, 52, which is very nice levels. And you can see here previously when we were sitting there, it was on the bottom, right? We popped here, and then we had this consolidation, popped here, consolidation. This consolidation we got those down to these 50 levels, and that's very good. That means that this consolidation is already finished. Now just looking, you can see here it's already tried pumping, but like Bitcoin was nope, so it went back. So consolidation is finished. This is gonna go as soon as Bitcoin is done doing the Bitcoin thing, whatever the Bitcoin thing right now is, and once that's done, this is gonna go. So let's look at the weekly chart. Weekly chart is we popped at 99, 98. Wow, that's crazy. But we have managed to pull this rubber band index all the way down to 72, then previous week 77. So we are sitting at 70 levels. That's very nice. This isn't something like daily chart where you want to pull it all the way down to 50. This was prior to the bull run. Bull run started in well, technically around 5th November or something like that over here, right? And you can see that's when you are these 50 levels, right? And then start climbing. But now that we have already start climbing, we should be holding above 60 levels up here. So we're gonna be doing something like this, right? You pump, then you pull back, you pump, you pull back, but you don't go to these levels down here. You don't do that. So around 60, 70 levels up here, you basically on the weekly chart, you basically keep this rubber band there. So right now it's looking good because we managed to pull back this rubber band index to these levels, but on the daily chart you should be down around 50 levels before you start going up. MACD looks fine on weekly, looks fine on daily. All in all, everything looks nice and dandy. We are sitting actually right now above the 20 moving average, so this candle is not done. Like previously it was all up here, a little bit there. So the best case scenario, we close above the 20 moving average, especially since like it's 5% up now, 5.50% up now, and everything is red. Everything is like -6, -5%. Like, so I think this wanna go. I think this is ready. I don't think that it has more room to go down. So CHILIZ, nice. Not, of course, not my opinion, only my opinion, not financial advice. You do your trades, I do my trades. You do your money, I'll do my money on BULLISH Bank. That said, subscribe to the channel, man. It's good for your health, it's good for my health, it's good for everybody's health. Like the video. There are some links down below. The Patreon, very important, check that, you might find something you like. Check the Telegram group, it's free group. Join the community. People are panicking all the time, and then people are celebrating 2 seconds later because they are looking at 5-minute chart all the time. Good times, good times. Thanks for watching, see you around, bye bye.